aha mukorogu Biishopu Sheldon ashabira abazire okugumizamu barukwatiraho abashomesa barukushashora ebishare ebirukuba bitensibweho obukiiko bw'amashomero okwera abeegi okushomaji.
So the challenge to parents is we need to support the education of our children. Can we support the education of our children? These children are ours.
Ebi Bishop abihirire ahari Minisita w'Ebyanga Raphael Magezi oragire abarukwebembera ebyobwegese ba DC hamwe n'abarukurira za district okujunana abakuru b'amashomero abarukwiyaho sente abana abarukubana bashomera omu mashomero gabo n'abashome.
I thank God that the children you teach, wherever they go, they will make it. Praise the Lord.
Ebi abagambire aha kusiima kw'ishomero lya Mbarara Municipal Primary School ahabo kuhikisaje abeegi omu bibuuzo by'ekyamushanju ebiherize kushohora obw'omwaka 2023 n'okushabira abeegi 58 abari omu kibiina kyamushanju omwaka ogu.
We had promoted more than that number. As you could have seen in the challenges we are facing, most of our children sit for period activities. But teaching that bigger number, and then at the end of the day, we achieve these grades. It is not something that should be taken for granted. Personally, I want to say thank you so much for this great achievement.
Omugandi abeejaho amatendekero agahiguru bashabwa ogumana bakwatanisa abakuru b'amatendekero aga okutari kutaho bwimukero baba bine barukwentenga.
If you have a cause, you can pursue it. If it is justified, well and good. But you don't need to cause drama, cause excitement, and I thank God that this university is of sober mind. And I want to encourage debate and discussion of issues.
Biishopu Sheldon yagambe ebi obu yaba nayiguraho Bishop Stewart Week erizoba erikuza kumara esande yona ahitendekere eri.
God has had mercy on us. He has favored us. He has chosen you. He's brought you to Bishop Stewart University. That is a blessing. A chartered university.
Tugenderire okugira ngo abashomi bereke muranga okushoma urukubasa kuletaho entunguka na muno okubasa kushohoza abana abeegi bakubasa kwerondera emirimo.
Bishop Stewart Week eji neyo murundu gwa 8 kandi abeegi 6 batebwaho emikono. Nde Michael tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.